Brook's accuser is slamming the country star, accusing him of using underhanded vindictive tactics in a new court filing. The accuser blasted Brook's attempt to get the lawsuit moved out of Los Angeles and into Mississippi. It's the latest development in a highly contentious legal fight, with Garth Brooks denying any allegations of wrongdoing. He said this was nothing more than a shakedown attempt and a request for money. The lawsuit centered on an incident in 2019 when the accuser accompanied Garth to an event in Los Angeles, and she says that she knew something was off when she boarded the plane and saw that it was only her and Garth traveling together. Then, upon their arrival at the hotel, she alleges that she asked for her own separate room, but Brooks insisted that they stay together. She claims later that day that Garth would forcibly rape her in that room, though she continued working for Garth, and she claims it was because she needed the money. And in the new filing, they claim that Garth's attempts to get the lawsuit removed from Los Angeles and into Mississippi is nothing more than forum shopping, seeking a courtroom that would be more advantageous to Brooks and less for the accuser. The new paperwork obtained by Rolling Stone said Brooks' bad faith sham action was nothing but a forum shopping maneuver. They said Brooks raced to the courthouse to file first in Mississippi, a forum he believed would be more sympathetic to him than California, in part because Mississippi does not have an anti-SLAPP law. After that alleged assault in May of 2019, the accuser would again accompany Garth Brooks back to Los Angeles in October of that same year, when she alleges she was assaulted by him again. They claim that the attempt to move the case out of the LA court doesn't make any sense, since that's where the alleged incidents occurred. It says, the primary relevant events took place in Los Angeles, California. Not a single act or event underlying any alleged cause of action by Brooks occurred in Mississippi. But in his preemptive lawsuit filed in Mississippi, Garth claimed that this is nothing more than attempted extortion. They said that the accuser had been asking for a salary. It said, Rowe asked Brooks for increasing amounts of financial assistance, which he eventually declined to provide, and she thereafter responded with false and outrageous allegations of sexual misconduct she claims occurred years ago. Rowe sought to extort Brooks by offering to refrain from publicly filing her false allegations in a lawsuit in exchange for a multi-million-dollar payment. Brooks said in a statement denying the allegations, for the last 2 months, I have been hassled to no end with threats, lies, and tragic tales of what my future would be if I did not write a check for many millions of dollars. It has been like having a loaded gun waved in my face. A hearing is set on December 16th. As to whether or not the case in California will be dismissed. That's your latest update from CountryCast. Be sure to subscribe with notifications on for the latest news and updates.